Ellen Rohr here with ServiceTitan, and welcome to Sofitel Hotel, Darling Harbour in Sydney, Australia. ServiceTitan is here to celebrate our ServiceTitan contractors. So we lined up an amazing experience. So Tommy Mello's coming to town, Tom Howard, Brigham Dickinson of Power Selling Pros, Brian Finn from Church, me, Ellen Rohr, and a whole slew of Australian contractors. We're gathering to help each other grow our businesses, to embrace the ServiceTitan and Australian community.
Networking opportunities are incredible. We're very excited to learn new things, be a bit more educated, just excited to be here.
Been pretty keen to see more and learn more about ServiceTitan, get more involved in the community, make connections.
We focused on the customers for day one of the event and really got granular with how to use the software, every module, the marketing features, price book, the integration with your accounting system, and so much more.
Just like watching Ellen's energy. You know, you can see why you get a powerhouse like that to get up on stage and keep everyone together, and the energy in the room, it's good.
We've pretty much grown sort of 200% in revenue every single year since we've started. And now it's more about putting the right building blocks in place and making sure everything's structured and systemized and keeping everyone accountable and getting them to the right jobs and all that kind of stuff. So a lot of moving parts, but for the most part, it's working really well.
Great for enabling, the growth that we've been looking for a long time, just to give you the confidence to do it, really.
So my first invoice was on paper and pen. Now we look back at that and we start laughing. So we're like, we've come such a long way.
I went from being a consumer in the trades to being a center of excellence for every company I was at. And I applied for ServiceTitan, and now I'm at where I want to be.
On day two, we invited friends of the community to the event. Folks who wanted to check out ServiceTitan or just learn from the brightest and the best in the industry here in Australia.
You can really see in this room, like, this is a bunch of people that really want to take their businesses to the next level. And that's always really exciting for me. That's the type of people that I like to work with, because that's what I'm always trying to achieve.
But just having like Tommy Mello here this morning, like ready to run through a brick wall after hearing him speak today, and just how different people are using ServiceTitan and different features that we can definitely learn from. And that's all going to help to improve our business and increase our revenue and profit margin.
There are some incredible people here, and all of these people actually want to help you. And that's probably the best thing that I've taken from it is they're all very good people and they're very successful, but they want to help. So ServiceTitan has brought that to Sydney, Australia, and that's amazing.
Oh man, and we've had hundreds, over 200 contractors joined us for this special event. Hey, the event ended at 4 o'clock and they're still here. It's been so much fun. The community, ServiceTitan, the local contractors in Australia, this is a winning combination.